If you have a company given medical insurance and you're wondering whether you should take up a personal medical insurance for yourself and family, watch this video, as this will give you clarity you need to make these decisions. Now, your company is kind enough to give you a company medical benefit, or normally people call it the company group insurance. And that's great. It is very noble of your company to do that for you. Now, as you should know, most SME and even large SME doesn't really provide a group medical insurance for their employees. If your company do not provide, I think it is time for you to ask your company to provide this kind of benefit, because this might be a lifesaver for you. So what is the difference between a company medical insurance versus a personal medical insurance? Basically, there are 4 differences. Now, number 1, company medical insurance covers when you're under employment, which means when you're still employed, they give you the medical coverage. Where your personal ones covers you regardless. I don't care whether you move from one company to the other, your personal insurance follows you wherever you go. Number 2, a company medical insurance covers until the age of 65. Some claim to be until the age of 70. But let's be real, which company keep an employee until the age of 70, right? Besides the boss. So basically, when you retire, you're out. A personal medical insurance covers you until the age of 100. Number 3, company medical benefits are very limited. Mostly covers from 50,000 to 100,000 per year. So do not be fooled by thinking, as long as I has company medical card, enough lah. Why I want to buy a new one? So let me tell you why. Because it is the big illnesses that will bankrupt you. So let's say if you have cancer, if the person has cancer, and the company medical insurance covers 50,000, that is not enough. You will need to fall back to your own medical coverage. Number 2, do you think your company is graceful enough to continue hiring you knowing that you cannot perform for the next 3 months to a year? Point to ponder. Let's think about it. Once you're unemployed, you're out of their medical coverage. So, number 4, you have no control over the company medical insurance. Let me tell you a story. Once I had a client who is diabetic that doesn't have a personal medical coverage. Why? Because he's been totally dependent on company medical benefits from young until his middle age. One day, his company decided to take away the group medical insurance because the boss thinks it is getting too costly to continue. So he is left out in the cold. No more medical protection instantly. No more medical protection instantly. You have no control whatsoever. But a personal medical insurance, you are the one in control. You are the one to decide to renew, and you are the one to decide to continue and to continue to be protected. So in conclusion, get a personal medical insurance. Pay 800 to 1,200 annually for a good medical insurance for those who are below 30 years old. For anyone who is below 40 years old, you pay 1,500 to 2,000. Get a good medical insurance. Do not wait until you cannot get one. Then only you regret. So the next question, which one to use if I have a company medical insurance and a personal one? So the answer is always exhaust the company medical insurance first. I had an eye surgery, as you can see. I have an eye surgery recently. So when I put in my IC for a guarantee letter from AIA, the system shows that I have 3 medical coverage. 2 from my company AIA, which is a group insurance, and 1 which is my personal one. So I choose to use the company medical insurance, of course. Why? Because I like to exhaust my option with the company medical insurance before I need to fall back onto my personal ones. The other reason is company medical insurance is normally an all-inclusive medical card, meaning for small surgery, the guarantee letter, it is immediate, it is very efficient. You do not have to worry about no guarantee letter, no payment at all. So there you go. All the facts you need to know about company medical insurance versus your personal medical insurance. If you like this video, share it with your friends, your family, and also all your buddies. Now, if you'd like to have a quotation, do not hesitate to click the schedule a meeting button down here or call us. We love to have a face-to-face meeting or a Zoom meeting with you so that we provide you more information for you to pick the right policy for you. Remember, get a personal medical insurance as a double protection for yourself and your family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week for more insurance matters.